click
like and subscribe button.
Sean's Gadgets.
Previously, we made a video about sa kung paano i-activate ang free 10GB ng inyong Home Prepaid WiFi. At kung di nyo po yun napanood, check it in our description and comment section below. And of course, don't forget to click like and subscribe. This time, we will teach you 4 ways to load your Home Prepaid WiFi. So keep watching till the end. For starters, the SIM is modem built in. So to check for its number, look at the back of the modem. For the first method, you're going to let the retailer to register it for you. This is the most recommended and the easiest step. Second method, if the retailer can't register, just buy a regular load and follow the steps. You can also buy some regular load from different online platforms. However, please take note that some of these platforms require credit or debit card for payment. After buying a regular load, go to the Globe at Home app, then click the dashboard below, and go to the Plus Get More Data. Find the most suitable promo for you and tap subscribe. Click the first option where you can see the regular load you bought, and click subscribe. And there you are registered. For the third method, go to the Globe at Home app, then tap the dashboard below and tap the Plus Get More Data. Then choose the most preferred promo and click subscribe. Then tap the GCash and tap subscribe now. Then put the phone number registered to your GCash account. Put the temporary password, and then your PIN number, and you're good to go. Open your browser, then find the IP address at the back of the modem and put it in your browser. Now you need to log in. Use the username and password still found at the back of the modem. Then find the envelope box shape for the message. Tap New Message. And type the following. And then send it to 8080. Wait for the respond. And there you go. This time, let's check. And you're good to go. Thank you for watching.